Hello friends and welcome to the new video how to multiply consecutive number. Example is 38 into 39 or 412 multiplied by 430. For this, as I told you in the previous video also, that you have to program your brain in the same way as we program the computer. So what you have to do? You have to install a program in your brain as we do it in the computer, so that when you run the program afterwards it do the calculation fast. So in this consecutive number I have developed a program which help you to do the calculation fast. But before that you first need to install that in your brain. In this video I will try to install that program in your brain so that for any consecutive number and square number you can take only few seconds to calculate. So let us start the journey. I discussed in the last video of how to find the square of a number. In that video I told you that in the next video I will tell you how to multiply consecutive number. Before that, many people on the WhatsApp has asked me how to remember the numbers I have given to find the square. So for the square I told you to remember these numbers, and many people face difficulty in remembering these numbers. I will give you a trick to remember this number so that you can easily find the square. And what is the trick? It is very simple. It works for 4, 6, 7, 3 and little bit on 1, 9, 2, 8. So it will work perfectly for 4, 6, 7, 3 and little bit on 1, 9, 2, 8. I tell you how. So let us see that if you have 4, then how far is 4 from 5? It is 1. So multiply 1 by 2 and add 1. How far is 6 from 5? It is 1. So multiply it by 2 and then add 1. How far is 7 and 3 from 5? It is 2. So multiply it by 2 and add 2. This is the simple and the perfect way to remember this. Now there is a problem in 1928. What? 1 and 9 are away from 5 by 4. So multiply it by 2, you will get 8. But I cannot tell you any trick to remember 2 and 6. That you have to remember it by heart. Similarly, for 2 and 5, both are away from 5 by 3. So multiply it by 3. And you will get 6a and 6a. Both for 2 and 8. But I cannot give you any trick to remember 2 and 4. Okay, so first digit you can easily remember by just finding the difference between the actual number and 5 and multiply it by 2. Now for consecutive number also I will give you one formula. And what is that formula? If you are doing 38 multiplied by 39, then I will make it like 8a into a9. So here my a is 3. Same as I have done in the square part. The first digit before the ones digit is my a. Now there is another set of numbers. So for finding the consecutive two numbers multiplication, you have to remember this part. Again, there is no trick to remember this other than these figures. I can tell you how to remember these 7, 9, 5a. So what is the trick? For our initial square number, I have just tell you the trick to remember the initial part and sum of the first part also. So what you do, you take the average of the two number to find the first coefficient of a. So if I have 4, 5 and 6, so for 5 it is 0 because we have not learned any formula of this pattern. So I have put it 0. So what is the average for 5 and 6? It is 2a. So what is the average? 2a divided by 2. So I get a. For 4 also you will get a because you just get the half of 2a. For 6 and 7, add 6 and 7. So 2a and 4a will give you 6a. Half of it is 3a. You have to remember 2. I don't have any formula to remember this 2. Similarly, for 3 and 4. So 3 and 4, again you have 4a plus 2a, 6a. So you can put 3a. 1 and 2. For 1 and 2, what is the total? 8a plus 6a is 14a. So what is the average? 7a. For 2 and 3, what is the average? 10a. So I have put 5a. For 7 and 8, the average is what? Again 10. So I have 5a. For 8 and 9, how much I have? I have 6 and 8, which is 14. So the average is 7. Now I have taken here a9 and a0 also. So what will be the formula? It will be 9a plus 7. This you have to remember because this is newly introduced in this part. In the square part, we are not handling 9 and 0. So it is 9a plus 7a. Now I am telling you a complete procedure of how to find consecutive number with the example. So let us take one example of 78 multiplied by 79. So what is my example? 78 multiplied by 79. So what is 8 and 9? So I will refer to this pattern. What is a here? It is 7. So what I will do? I will find the square of 75. Which I know it very easy. What it? 7 into 8, 56 and 25. Now same thing but in a little different way. What I will do? I will cut this 5 and I know that 8 9 is 72. So I put 2 here. Forget about 7. Only you need the final digit. So 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. So put 2 and rest 7a plus 5. So what is my a? A is 7. So 7 7 ja 49, 49 plus 5 is 54. Now add this. Why add this? Because 78, 79 is greater than 75. So what you get? 6162, and this is the multiplication of 78 into 79. So it is so simple. Now let us take one more example of 93 multiplied by 94. What is 95 square? It is very simple. 9025. Now what you have to do? Cut this 5 and put 2 because 3 into 4 is 12. So put 2. Now you have to apply this one. 3a plus 1. Clear? This is the programming which you have to do in your brain. Clear? As I told you about the concept of program and logic. So this is the part of the program and logic. What I have to do? I have to use this. What is my a? A is 9. So 27 plus 1, 28. Now I will subtract because 93 and 94 are smaller than 95. Clear? So what I need to do? I have to subtract it. And by subtraction what I will get? 874. Before going ahead, I'll request you, if you have not subscribed to my video, please subscribe my video to get the latest updates on the channel, as I am posting one video each day. Now let us take one more example into 90. So what will be my a now? A will be 8, the lower one, because we have understood the formula for 9 only, 0 is a extra. So what is my a? A is 8. Now what I will do? I will do it by 85 square, which I know it is 72 and 25. Remove this 5. What you need to place? You place 0 because 9 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now what is the formula? 9a plus 7. And what is a? A is 8. So what I get? 8 into 9, 72 plus 7, 79. So what I get? You add it because 85 is smaller than 89 and 90. So what you will get? 8010. So simple. I give you one example for this also. 105 multiplied by 106. If you need to do that, then what you have to do? You have to get the square of 105. So what is the square of 105? 11025. Remove this 5. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So put 0. Now what you need to do? You have to remember a plus 1. And what is a here? A is 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. So what I get? This is the answer. So friends, now you can see that finding the square of 895 is so easy. How? Because the formula for 895 square is 89 into 90 and then 25. Now 89 into 90 you can calculate by this method. And then you can put the value of 801025 is the answer. This is the trick applied by most of the mathematical genius who give the calculation verbally. So they practice so much by these methods that they can verbally tell you the square of 895 in a second. So they are using this method only. So friends, now you can find the consecutive number multiplication very easily by just remembering this pattern. And I can tell you that all the genius of mathematics who work verbally in many of the TV shows, they programmed their mind by these patterns. So when you ask them of 895 square, they do the exactly same thing in their brain and tell you the answer. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot of things. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please write a comment for any suggestion which you want to give me. Also, you can WhatsApp me for any query or any doubt which you are facing while watching the video. Thank you. Enjoy civil engineering.